Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access the PlayStation 5 web browser. While the PS5 doesn't have a traditional browser app, there are clever workarounds to get online. First, navigate to your console's settings. Then, go to the System menu and select Web Browser. Here, ensure that Enable JavaScript and Allow Cookies are both turned on. This crucial step helps websites load correctly and provides a smoother browsing experience once you access the hidden browser. It's a simple but important preparation. Our first method leverages a linked service. From your PS5 home screen, head into Settings, then scroll down to Users and Accounts. Within this menu, you'll find Linked Services. Select YouTube from the available options. Even if you don't plan to link your account, this path is key. Choose Link, and then when prompted, select Use Browser. This action opens a browser window, which is our gateway to the internet. It's a quick 3-step process to get started. Once the Google sign-in page appears, you don't need to log in. Instead, look for the Terms link, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and click it. This will open the Google Terms of Service page. Now, scroll all the way down to the very end of this page. You should find a small Google link there. Clicking this link will successfully take you to the Google search engine, giving you full access to browse the web. It's a slightly indirect but effective route. For an alternative, you can use the game-based messaging feature. Simply open a chat with any friend and type a full website address like Google.com, then send it. The system will convert this into a clickable link. Clicking this link will open the hidden web browser directly to that site. Keep in mind, this browser is basic. It lacks features like an address bar for direct URL entry or multiple tabs. You'll primarily navigate through search results, but it gets the job done for simple browsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.